Hey, Dr. Rick here. Thanks for joining us. We've been doing some air compressor remodel retrofits in the garage today, actually over the last few weeks. One thing we added, if you look up here, you'll see this Jobsmart reel, hose reel. We bought it from Tractor Supply. We got it hooked up. We hooked it up to 1/2 inch PVC. Had to have a 1/2 inch to 3/8 coupler. I'll tell you the pros and the cons about this thing. I like the reel, it's really good. It's easy install. You just have it up at the top. Up at the top, we just had to put a couple screws into the trusses, and then we just had to take in, if you can see up there at the hinge part, just take a screw out on the inside hinge so it don't slide this way. So you put the bracket up, slide it in, put the screw back in. Couple things I didn't like about this, okay? First of all, these are 3/8 fit-ins. Most air hoses have 1/4 inch, so we had to actually go buy an adapter for the 1/4 inch. Fortunately, at the black pipe, we could do a 1/2 inch. It's really been nice. I don't have to worry about the rest of the family not reeling up my hose, and it's up and out of the way. So, I think it was a good buy. I think we paid about $55 for it. We did get it last fall, so the price may have gone up. And I would buy it again. We've used some heavy commercial metal ones, and when my family had an Napa Repair Center, so that was one of my concerns. But so far, it's been really good. Okay, thanks for joining us, and if you got questions, let us know.